Naranasan mo na bang magdusa dahil sa maling desisyon ng iba? Alam mo yung wala ka na makinalaman, pre. Ikaw nagdurusa dahil sa kapakanan at diskarte ng ibang tao. And now, ito pa mas worse, inetchepuera ka pare nung nagkalaglaga na. Kasi one of the greatest fears ng tao yung hindi napapansin. Tama? Yung parang hindi ka na pinansin, ikaw pa yung naging dahilan kung bakit nagkawindang-windang ang buhay mo ngayon, di ba? Yung parang pakiramdam mo, you're not even existing. Meron dito nung nag-reunion kayo, parang ikaw hindi ka pinapansin. Yung parang dinadaan-daanan ka lang, classmate ka pala namin, kala ko waiter ka dito. So sometimes we feel, Lord, ang layo ng pinaniniwalaan ko sa nangyayari ngayon. Are you in a situation wherein, Lord, alam kong may pangako ka, pero hindi nangyayari. So I don't know about you. Maybe you're holding on to God's promises. Ang tagal, pastor. 11 years na tong lalaki na to, kailan ba to titino? So sometimes it challenges our faith. Remember, a faith that is not tested cannot be trusted. Tinetest silang mag-asawa. Last week si Abraham, ngayon si Sarai, yung pinupuntirya ng testing. Listen up. When God is silent, we assume that God doesn't care. You've been praying so hard, Lord, please lang, mahal ko asawa ko, pero ba't ganito yung binigay mo asawa sa akin? Lord, I know you can, but will you do it? You seem like silent. Listen up, just because God is silent doesn't mean He's absent.